Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to build out project number 12. So let's jump into Firefox, and I'm inside of learntechprojectfiles.com/Adobe AfterEffects 2022 projects. We're going to go to project number 11. No, project number 12, not 11. Premiere Pro Basics. I'm going to click on that and download the files, and then we'll get the project set up while that's working. So we're going to do new project, file, save as, and we're going to do the same format. So we're going to do number 12, project number 12, and this is going to be Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. Okay, and then basics. All right, and then I'm going to copy this. I'm going to right click and rename it, Command C on the Mac, Control C on the PC, select it, and then save the project file with the same exact copy. We'll save that, go to Firefox, grab the download file. Okay, we're going to bring this into documents, then grab number 12 and bring this into projects and go to number 12, and then open up the file by uncompressing it. Then I'm going to check it. We have introduction, we have benefits, what you will learn, students, requirements, thank you, and the promo video itself. Now I'm going to walk you through everything I want you to do with this one. So it's going to be a little more fast-paced because we've done a lot of repetition. So buckle up and let's do this. So I'm going to right-click and we're going to import the file. Okay. We're going to go to number 12, the 12 folder, grab all the files here, open that. I'm going to grab the promo video, bring this in. I'm going to scrub to exactly where I want it. I have to be careful because I like to use keyboard shortcuts on my recorder, and when I've been doing that, I've been cutting out the video. So I have to make sure that I don't do that. So I have to scrub. I can't do what I normally do, which is fine for this example. So what I want to do is right here, I want to show benefits. Okay, so I want benefits to show up there, but I want it to be right in the middle here. Okay, so we're going to set it up to be right here, and then I'm going to set the opacity. So I want it to be 5 second. 5 second effect. Okay, so the opacity is going to be 0. We're going to have it come in and be 100%, and then jump cut. So I'll hit play. Benefits. And if we start at 10 seconds, the effect is 1 second, right? And so we should have the graphic showing for 2 seconds and then cut it out. So right here, and then we'll just do a jump cut. It just disappears. Then we'll grab students, okay? And we'll do the same thing, but we will figure out where the thumbnail is. The thumbnail is about right there, which is 56 seconds. So we can move this down quite a bit. I'm going to shrink this down a lot. And we'll bring it down to 20 seconds. And we're going to do the same thing. I want it to be just about the same spot. We'll snap it right here. Okay. And let's do this. So we'll go here to transform. Opacity, we're going to create a keyframe, turning it off, then turning it on. So we started at 20 seconds and then shutting it off at 23, okay, which is right here. So again, it's a quick effect and it's a quick graphic, but that's really the point. So students, and then jump cut, okay. Then we want requirements to be at 30 seconds. So I'll bring that in. And then we'll just shrink this down to that. Okay. And then give it 5 seconds. Bring it down to here. Adjust the opacity. And then same deal. Okay. So we'll set this to 0. Bring it back, and then give it 2 more seconds, roughly, to 34 seconds, and then I'll cut it. or trim it, I should say. Then we jump cut, and we're done. So I'll save that, and then I'm going to scrub down to the end of the clip of the promo video and see where the thumbnail appears. So right before that, we want to have thank you. So at 50 seconds, we're going to have thank you. Okay. So we'll trim this down all the way down to 50 seconds. And then at 55 seconds, as I transition to a different app, what we're going to do, sorry about that. What we're going to do is we're going to set it to 5 seconds and then adjust where it appears. So we have thank you right here. We'll adjust the opacity. We'll set a keyframe to 0% for the opacity. We'll scrub 1 second. Okay, set it to 100%, and then let it go for 2 more seconds, and then trim the effect or the layer, and then preview it and see what it looks like. So when I play it, thank you, and then it's only 2 seconds, then I'll cut out. Okay, and my video is delayed, so if that jumped or did whatever, that's what it is. So that's how we lay it out and get the effects that we want and make it look professional. And really, all we're doing is adding another layer to all of my promo videos. So I did the first layer where I talked about everything, showing examples and whatnot, but I didn't add graphics. So this is really the next layer on top of what I already have. And then another layer on top of that would be to add like music in the promo video. Okay. And then another layer on top of that would be to add even more graphics and more effects to the promo video to make it more engaging. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this project. This was a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.